during the last couple of weeks, I've been shipping a lot of these Timothy the Ghost engines. So I want to say thank you to those customers for placing the orders. I might continue making few more since I've been really busy making customs. Also other projects like the shelvings. So I will give you an update as soon as I get more of these models available on my website or eBay. It's running great. Yeah, so if you see a short video, that means I've been shipping that model, specific model has been shipped. I've been shipping a few every day. I'm shipping different models, not just custom models. But you got the idea. Very shiny silver Timothy the Ghost engine. Creepy. This one goes to Rhode Island.